Economics is the study of resource allocation and choices in society. Resources include money, time, materials, and skills. Everything is limited. Supply and demand influence prices. Higher demand and lower supply raise prices. Productivity increases wealth by producing more with the same resources. Inflation erodes money value. Deflation increases it, but can indicate problems. Economic growth measures production increase. Development includes quality of life improvements. Government influences economy through taxes, spending, and monetary policies. Personal finance involves managing expenses, saving, and investing wisely. Debt results from spending more than earnings. Saving grows money over time. Economy is dynamic, affected by technology, global events, and policy decisions. Economics teaches supply, demand, productivity, inflation, growth, and personal finance. Applying economics helps make better spending, investment, and decision-making choices. Understanding these concepts empowers you to improve your financial situation. Share this knowledge to transform financial lives and make informed economic decisions.